इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू प्रोग्राम टॉक शो विद अभिषेक। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, आज हमारी टॉक शो का पहला एपिसोड है। तो उससे मैं एपिसोड को शुरू करने से पहले कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अपनी टीम के बारे में, जिन्होंने ये शो ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। वो एक्चुअली हमारी टीम की जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो कुछ ऐसी है कि वो चाहते हैं कि जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स हैं, वहाँ के जो बॉर्निंग टॉपिक्स होते हैं उन्हें लेकर वहाँ के एक्सपर्ट के साथ हर हफ्ते हम यहाँ पे कुछ बातें करें, हमारी व्यूअर्स की जो भी क्वेश्चंस है उन्हें सॉल्व करें, ताकि हमारी व्यूअर्स अपने पसंद के सेक्टर के बारे में ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर सके। तो इसे अभी हाँ, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, हमारा आज एपिसोड 1 है, फर्स्ट एपिसोड है। तो आज की एपिसोड एक्चुअली बेस्ट है, स्पेशली वेडिंग स्पेशल है, क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ जो शख्स है वो उन्होंने अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना ली है वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री में। तो ज़्यादा देर नहीं करते हुए आज हमारे जो गेस्ट है उनको मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा। सो प्लीज वेलकम आवर गेस्ट कुंतनील दास। वेलकम सर।
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग सर। सर, हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको कुछ अपने बारे में और जो ये इमेज मैनेजमेंट को जो कॉन्सेप्ट है सो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Well, I'm Kuntanil Das and I've been involved in the wedding industry for a couple of years right now. Though I am into fashion for last 25 long years, but wedding is a passion. Being a part of the wedding industry has always helped me out exploring some new creative challenges. So this industry is kind of a booming industry, and I'm being associated with it for almost 8 to 10 years right now for wedding. And see, image consultants, what we do right now is related to image, how you actually transform the image of a wedding to reality. So we work on that and we try and see that all the people, those who are involved, work with one particular goal in mind, just to make that beautiful set look more realistic, just to make the couple more fun-loving, just to make the whole aura look larger than life. So this one focus is all related to that image management that we do, and I think this is a new trend which is soon to come to all cities, and people are going to accept the fact that it's your image which is most important than everything in the wedding.
थैंक यू सर। सर, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इमेज मैनेजमेंट, सर इसके साथ आपकी अटैच्ड, सर कैसे आप इसके साथ क्लोज हुए हैं, ये वो जो टर्म है इमेज मैनेजमेंट?
Since I said I am into the fashion industry for so long, so being into the designing industry, I had seen a lot of challenges while when we design something. Though I am not a designer, but yes, while styling, we find that there are a lot of things which are very rare to find out. But in wedding, what happens? Every girl or a boy who gets married, he wants or she wants to get kind of feel or kind of dream of getting their wedding in a very fancier way. So while doing that, there are a lot of things which they just kind of ignore. Probably might be on the costume, or might be on the body, or might be on the looks. They try to follow trend. But when you see that you are going to get married, you should be very careful about the choices of the costumes. You should be very careful about the choices of the stage. You should be very careful about your jewelry, your makeup and hairdo, because all these together makes your image, and you should know what exactly suit you, not that somebody else is guiding you just for their own benefits. So this is a research which continues for a couple of months before the wedding. We discuss a lot and then find out, as you see that in how I started. When we started in this last 4 to 5 years, I found this is one thing where people dream, but they don't find the right person to actually guide them. So then when I started off, okay fine, let me get involved into this, and it is quite really interesting to guide someone with what knowledge you have earned for so many years. So that's what made me more inclined towards this profession of image management. And see, I am doing it with a lot of interest, focus, and yes, all my clients, those I've worked with, have given me a lot of time and freedom to change and transform the way they look. And at the end of the day, when we see the final image, it is kind of so satisfying. So that's how it's going on.
Okay. सर, ये जो टर्म है इमेज मैनेजमेंट, इसको आप अपने ओपिनियन से कैसे इसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे सर?
See, it's all about your image, how you present yourself to your clients, how you present yourself to the audience, how you present yourself to the whole society. Because see, wedding is something which every girl and a boy dream of, because it's one big memory, or one big occasion to kind of cherish for the rest of your lives. Most of the times, if we don't give that much of interest on this particular occasion, we try to get out of it by not being happy at the end of the wedding. We find, oh, काश मैंने ये कर लिया होता, काश मैंने वैसा change कर लिया होता, and then there's the end, like उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So if we kind of give more of time to this one before the wedding, we discuss with an image consultant, she or he might help you out with a lot of प्रोफेशनल सजेशंस. आपकी बॉडी कैसा है, आपकी हाइट कैसे है, उसको कैसे हम लोग ठीक कर रहे हैं, आपकी स्किन टोन कैसा है, आपकी क्या कॉन्सेप्ट के कलर आपके ऊपर सूट करेगा, आपके फियांसे के ऊपर सूट करेगा, आपकी कॉस्ट्यूम के हिसाब से आपकी स्टेज किस कलर की होना चाहिए, बैकड्रॉप कैसा होना चाहिए, आपकी फुटवेयर्स कैसा होना चाहिए, ज्वेलरीज कैसा होना चाहिए, आपका मेकअप जो सबसे बड़ा एक आज के दौर पे एक क्वेश्चन मार्क होकर रखा है कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मेकअप शुड वी डू. सो ऑल दीज आर प्री डिसाइडेड. We should also know about all of these before the final day, so we don't make any errors, because that day is the day when you actually play. Cricket match आप सारा महीना 2 महीना आप रिसर्च करोगे, खेलोगे, सीखोगे, लेकिन जिस दिन आप खेलोगे उस दिन अगर आपने हार गया, आप उसको कभी दोबारा जीतने का जो ये है, we will not be able to kind of, when we play a cricket match or any game, the day we actually perform, that day there is no looking back, that we just only focus on the results, whether we win or we lose. Similar, wedding, it is a day when we actually kind of live and enjoy the whole process. It's not kind of experimenting on that day. So we should not take any chances. We should not kind of take on the last moment risk, because that might be a very negative process of your whole image. So it is about a process where we start and understand quite ahead of the wedding day, because everybody, I mean, whether Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whatsoever community we belong, we generally kind of fix our wedding almost 6 months to a year back. So why not we start grooming from then? So that's how this image can help you out at the end of the day.
सर जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम आपके साथ एक इंटरव्यू हम लोगों ने किया था, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स ने हमको पूछा कि इमेज मैनेजमेंट क्या है, ये कैसे होता है. तो सब लोग इसको सुनने के बाद क्यूरियस तो है, बट उनको आइडिया नहीं है कि ये कैसे, इसका फॉर्मेट क्या है, ये कैसे इस चीज़ को करना है, तो इसमें एक्चुअल होता क्या है.
देखो, इमेज मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसा चीज है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि लाइक ये आपका कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं बनाता है, आपकी ज्वेलरीज नहीं खरीदवाता है, ये पूरा आपकी जो बॉडी टाइप है उसको एनालिसिस किया जाता है कि व्हाट इज योर हाइट, व्हाट इज योर स्किन टोन, व्हाट इज योर हेयर लेंथ, व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड, what is the season, what is your budget, where are you getting married, whether it's in a banquet, whether it's in a lawn, whether it's a night wedding, whether it's a day wedding. So there are a lot of analysis for an image consultant. And then when we start analyzing that and kind of questioning to our clients, we come to know a lot of things, her concept or his concept of seeing his or her wedding. उसकी एक प्लानिंग रहता है कि मेरा सपने का वेडिंग ऐसा होगा, मेरा वेडिंग में मैं इस तरीके से अपने आप को, तो वो सारी चीज को उनको जो माइंड में प्रोसेस चल रहा है उसको हम लोग इवैल्यूएट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, और फिर उनके बाद उसके बॉडी टाइप को समझ के, उनके बजट को समझ के उनको राइट गाइडेंस देते हैं कि लेट्स वर्क आउट ऑन आवर, सी इफ वी आर हेल्दी, लेट्स वर्क आउट ऑन आवर हेल्थ फर्स्ट टू कट ऑन सम weight from our body. If see my face is a round shape face, let me work out on my face and give it a kind of shape to it. Hair, what type of hair will suit you? So this process takes a bit of time. It's not that you come just 1 week before your wedding and then we start researching on it. Then though we cannot do much of it, because when we start that, when we say that we want to transform your thoughts into reality, we need at least a process of 6 months. Maximum 6 months required, minimum 3 months required, so that the whole process is enjoyable. we can do a lot of things in this 3 months and 6 months to transform your thoughts into reality. People buy a lot of good things, but they don't know whether those good things are for you. You should know rightly what suits you, what color suits you, where are you getting married, what is the month when you're getting married. So everything is based on that, and that is what is called image. Ultimately जो end result होगा वो capture होगा किसी की photography में, और वो photograph आपको अच्छा करेगा. वो फोटोग्राफर को कंप्लेन करने से कुछ नहीं होगा कि मेरा फोटो ठीक नहीं आया, मेरा फोटो थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं आया. दैट इज द फोटोग्राफर कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. इट्स अबाउट यू, हाउ यू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ द फोटोग्राफ. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी हेल्प यू आउट विद.
सर जैसे कि वेडिंग सीजन अब शुरू हो रही है, तो वेडिंग सीजन पे अभी एक टर्म है जो बहुत वायरल हो रहा है, और वो टर्म है प्री वेडिंग. तो प्री वेडिंग पे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
It's a very good process of documenting your whole thoughts and a journey to get married, that fun, that enjoyment of a new beginning to start off. But you know, I see a lot of replicas these days of the same format of pre-wedding stories. Like you're jumping, you're dancing, you're moving on with the same repeated costumes and the same hills and the same lake and the boat and the tree and you know all these things. So I think that we should be more organized for the pre-wedding concepts. We should sit with a cinematographer and a story writer who actually plans out what exactly should be the story of this pre-wedding shoot, which is might be for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. But sorry to say, but you know, we still today don't find in all videos that it is crafted. They decide randomly on the set. So that's a wrong way of presenting our pre-wedding shoot. We should be very careful about what exactly we're shooting, whether it's a video, whether it's a costume, whether it's a story. So those stories should be narrated very nicely before the client, the cinematographer, the photographer, the script writer. Everybody should discuss with the couple, even the costume and the image consultant. So what happens when you go there, you're prepared with the story. No, I'm not going to just run around. I'm not going to just jump around. So that thing should be stopped. I think this is one very good thing that you know we have come up with a documenting of a pre-wedding story, and this is a new beginning. So I think we should be more careful from whenever we think that's the right time. We should be more organized, and we should be doing more of research into it. That's how we can help you.
सर जैसे कि सारे घर में शादी को लेकर सबके मन में सेम टाइप की एक फीलिंग होती है कि मैं ऐसे किस तरीके से करूँगा, मैं ये करूँगा. तो कैन एवरी फैमिली अफोर्ड इमेज मैनेजमेंट?
Every family affords shadi. So when you are doing a marriage, you are investing on a lot of things: your clothes, your jewelry, your banquets, your food, your decorations, your styling, a lot of things. इमेज मैनेजमेंट कोई अलग सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. इमेज मैनेजमेंट उसी को एक फॉर्मेट में अगर आप करते हो एंड एक कोऑर्डिनेशन वे में आप करते हो तो आपको एक बहुत अच्छा आउटपुट मिलेगा. इफ यू डू द सेम थिंग विदाउट प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, विदाउट प्रॉपर coordinating, I think then when you lack on the right picture at the end of the day, and then when you see that your marriage is not satisfying, you have some boring pictures which you hide behind your tables, and after 10 years of your marriage, those folders are not even visible. So we should be so happy for those beautiful moments of our life to keep it on the center table. Whenever people come after 10 years also, you find the same vibration that we should flip around our pages and see, oh, what a beautiful moment we shared on that particular day. So it's not about wealthy families and a small family or a medium family. It's about how you coordinate the process. Everybody can afford it, provided you know the importance of it. The day when you start understanding the importance of it, I think there are many wasted products which we try and invest on in our wedding. We should start understanding that and invest rather than wasted money in yourself.
सर ये जो प्रोसेस है, इसे सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए सर कितना टाइम लगता है? कितना टाइम पहले आपके साथ हम लोगों को कनेक्ट होना पड़ता है?
देखो, एक प्रॉपर वेडिंग को कोऑर्डिनेशन करने के लिए चाहे ब्राइड हो चाहे ग्रूम हो, अगर 6 महीने पहले आ जाता है तो बहुत चेंजेस उसमें लाया जा सकता है. वी कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस ऑन द on the clients, I mean whether it's bride or the groom, because in this 6 months of journey we can touch up with the body type. We can, if the body is healthy, we can try and cut down certain weight from that body. We can also kind of increase the skin tone of that body. We can decide on the wardrobe of different occasions. Like आजकल marriage has become like cosmopolitan, I can say, like whole India, there's no differences in marriages. Bengalis also do Sangeet and Haldi and Mehendi today. It's not differentiated between a community. So we try to celebrate and we try to make it more event oriented. So इससे क्या होगा कि हम लोग अगर पहले से कनेक्टेड होते हैं तो हम हर एक इवेंट का एक अलग कलर आउटफिट, हम लोग एक कलर इमेज तैयार कर सकते हैं उसकी आउटफिट से लेके उसकी ज्वेलरीज, उसकी बजट को ध्यान में रख के. And we can also go to shop from whatever store you are comfortable with. We don't have a particular fancy that we should go from a branded designer store. We can even buy things from a smaller store. But yes, we go along with the client. We just move along with them, whether it's city wise or whether we can move into a nearby city like Calcutta and Delhi. We go with the clients for a day and two and coordinate the whole look. So एक लंबा प्रोसेस होगा. अगर 6 महीना होता है तो काम करने में बहुत मजा होता है और उसकी रिजल्ट भी रिफ्लेक्ट करता है क्लाइंट्स पे. और अगर 2-3 महीने पहले आता है तो वी कैन नॉट डू ऑन द फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट, वी जस्ट रादर गो ऑन द स्टाइलिंग. हम उसकी क्लॉथिंग में ध्यान देते हैं, हम उसके ज्वेलरीज में या फिर उनके मेकअप या फिर प्री वेडिंग में हम लोग थोड़ा हेल्प कर देते हैं. फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स में हम लोग तब थोड़ा सा हमें दिक्कत होता है टाइम स्पैन की वजह से. So 6 months is a good time, and it's not that you have to invest a lot on money on the image management. It's a one-time fees which we negotiate with the client and see what amount of service we are going to give to that client. It depends on that. So it's not a huge amount of money. It's a very minimum money which we charge, but the output is very strong.
इमेज मैनेजमेंट में जो ये टॉपिक्स है ग्रूमिंग, शॉपिंग, इसके साथ आप कैसे डील करते हैं?
See, as I said, today the world has become global the world has become completely digital. So we can connect anybody from anywhere and anytime. And there are a lot of platforms like, Zoom, Google Meet, where we can see and talk with our clients and even go to the virtual store. There are stores online. So today, after the lockdown, the things have become more global and digital. So we can connect to many stores very easily. But yes, still the physical touch is very important when you're getting married, because when you see a lehenga on the digital version, it looks something different. But when you go and actually feel it and try it, then you actually see the shape of the garment, how it is falling down. So हम लोग clients के साथ जाते हैं. Actually, we go there and we see them wear those costumes and just kind of feel that whole look, how it's going to reflect on that the client. And then we decide, okay, let's go ahead with it. Or then if we are not satisfied, we go to the next store. So there are a lot of good stores, designer stores. As I'm not saying that we only cater to designer garments, designer stores. Rather, we go to designers also, we go to non-branded stores also, we go to bridal stores also, we go to any budget which you are comfortable. So आपके budget सुनने के बाद ही हम लोग decide करते हैं कि कहाँ जाना सही रहेगा, ताकि आप जो भी खरीदो आपके बजट के हिसाब से खरीदो. So going with a client, purchasing is a must for an image consultant. But yes, it depends on the day that you have booked for us. Like whether you take a 5 days purchasing trip or 2 days purchasing trip. So we negotiate with our clients that way, and then finally we go ahead.
सर ये जो इमेज मैनेजमेंट है, इसमें सर जितने भी क्लाइंट्स है उन सब पे एक ही स्टेप यूज होता है या सबके लिए अलग अलग स्टेप होता है सर इसमें?
Absolutely, these are very right questions to ask, because image management is not one generic term that we use for our clients. Every client is a different client for me. I think it is very rare to find a replica of a client. किसी का हाइट बहुत अच्छा है तो किसी का शॉर्ट हाइट है, कोई हेल्दी है तो कोई स्किनी है. So every body type is different and every client is also different. अगर हाइट मैच होता है बट देन उसकी चॉइसेस अलग होता है कि उसकी कलर्स, अब मुझे किसी को अच्छा लगता है ब्लैक कलर तो किसी को ब्लू कलर, किसी को रेड कलर तो किसी को ग्रीन कलर. सो वी डोंट kind of put our opinion on them. Rather we try to respect their opinion, their body type, their skin tone, their idea, and then we try to decide that, okay, let's go ahead with this one. So it is not uniform for everybody. It is completely different from one to the other to the other. So it is nothing that we put a replica of it. It is a complete new process. When we start from zero, and then we calculate, evaluate, and try and multiply the look into the better of you, and better of you.